Hi, I'm Christina.
And I'm Randy. Are you ready for an adventure?
Come see our journey.
That's the Paramount Ranch, part of the Santa Monica Mountains National Recreation Area. So it's run by the National Park. The fact that it's run by the National Park will probably make it so that it'll take us forever to get it rebuilt. Over there's where the western town is, down there. So I'll just kind of give you an idea. Pretty good. Pretty nice area. I can never see this when the sun is in my eyes. So all I can do is guess that maybe I'm taking the sign right. Or maybe I'm taking the picture right. Anyway, this is Santa Monica Mountain Park and I'm here. We're going to look at where the western town used to be and the fire damage that happened. And they're in the process of repairing it, and so we're going to see what kind of progress they're making. So
stay tuned.
So we're heading on down to the Western Town Trail, so we can see what things look like and what's left of the Western Town. If you make any money off of these videos, then you're not allowed to photograph. A little creek. That's pretty cool. The way it looks, huh?
Yeah.
This being the Paramount Ranch, or what used to be the Paramount Ranch, is now owned by the government.
Yeah, it's always nice when you happen to find money on the trail.
You're rich.
I know. Look at the side of that.
Yeah. Here's where the western town used to be, and they've cleared the land now. They're getting it ready. They're going to rebuild this. They're going to rebuild the western town that used to be here. It was very historic, but it was just facades. And then the one thing that still exists is the church that's over there. And that church, I just asked Christina, I said, wasn't that in Westworld? She goes, yeah, that was. So then the other thing that is here's the bridge.
They saved the bridge.
Yeah. Pretty cool. Even what's left is cool. I saw him. He's there. I saw him right there. Oh. Looks like kind of a train depot type of a thing over there. And then there's two bridges. And then the old church.
I like that they have picnic baskets or picnic tables.
Here's the old building for storage. Huh? Good view of what? Nothing. That we can see inside of there.
Yeah. Look how cool that is. Look at the shutters. I guess they took the shutters off.
Yeah. So one day it'll be a western town again, and a part of history will come back. And it looks like it's going to happen real soon, which is a good thing. The Woolsey fire was about 2 years ago, and it's taken to this point. They only cleared the land where the western town was in June, so we'll see what happens from there. It's kind of like a train depot where the train pulls up. Oh, that's pretty cool. It looks like a train depot.
Looks like a lot of kitchen.
Coat of paint on it and everything. Not bad. Like a desk.
Yeah.
It's almost like a desk.
Looks like this little window right here. Like, as it unlatches and it does open. It's sort of like that.
Train depot look with the boarding platform and everything.
And nothing they couldn't use a train on a green screen.
Yeah, that's true. Look how cool this is right here, see? See, now I know for sure. Remember they had all those things in Westworld where they were riding around in the trees and the oak trees and stuff? That's definitely just like that. I'll bet you I could find that on there, no problem. Always remember when you're hiking that is poison oak.
There's a whole patch of it.
Oh yeah, there's a lot. Don't go lay down and go to sleep under that tree. That's what that sign says. See, this is when the western town was closed and they cleaned up the debris from the fire. And it's just recently. Part. Now, the burnt stuff is just a relic and another part of the ranch. But see, you can see where they've got a red tag, they're going to tear it out. And it's a kind of funny tree. The tree's grown back, but there's no limb left on that thing. From the top down. You wonder how many old movies these bridges and stuff were in, huh? Probably tons of them. Lots and lots. A very cool place. Yeah, that's a great tree right here. Well, this is ground up a lot of the wood.
This is a great grand oak.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. They saved that one.
They've got the creek runs right there.
Yeah, it does. It's pretty cool.
Some water running when we were on the other side.
Yeah. Here's an interesting sign. A bus stop for the Paramount Ranch.
Beware
and
of
this
rattlers.
This is
See
their
that sign?
this is their fire station.
Yeah.
Interesting signs. Firearms are prohibited, and beware of rattlers. Paramount, the Paramount Ranch. She getting a little shade at the Paramount Ranch. So the western time's down there across the bridge. And here's the trail rules. And there's no parking from sunset to 8 a.m. And there's plenty of parking available. you're supposed to come in down the road here, and then this is the exit going the other way by the fire station.
Paramount Ranch Ranger Station Fire Management in front of you to the right. And as you pan over to your right, then you see there's a building right here. That's your restrooms, and they honestly are open, so that's a great thing. So I'm gonna pan back. Oh look, there's an old style phone booth. It's pretty funny. I guess it's 25 cents for a phone call. Pretty funny though. The state owns it now and they're rebuilding. Great hiking trails. Just be careful of the poison oak.
If you enjoyed our vlog, please subscribe
And ring that notification bell.
and give us a like. It lets us know you care.
And we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.